Hey guys, so as you just saw, I went to McDonald's. Initially, I just wanted to buy a coffee, which I was kind of hesitant about because I'm trying not to spend any money on anything. I actually ended up buying 2 boneless burgers and a salad, which kind of brought me back to the old days where I used to buy just way too much food. And immediately I regretted it. It was 22 bucks, almost 23. So now that I've been, trying to save money on groceries, those $23 is basically 4 people's worth of food. And man, it's really irritating that I did that. It's even more irritating that I used to do that all the time. I guess it's a good thing that I'm realizing that that's just a waste of money. It's definitely bad that that I didn't think about it before. Even though, I kind of agonized about it a little bit, but I still decided to do it. So, I don't know. Hey guys, so this is dinner for today. I just made it up. I got some thinly sliced onion, some thinly sliced garlic, thinly sliced zucchini, and some spinach with olive oil. It's basically like a pizza sauce, but without tomatoes and some extra vegetables. I also made some chicken, and then we got salad right there.
Ranch.
Salad has romaine lettuce and spinach. Good morning, guys. It is a beautiful day in Canel here today. I have 2 weddings, and in the middle of those 2 weddings, I gotta go get my international license from AAA. So that I can drive the RV in Hokkaido in Japan. This place is really fancy. These used to be called, I think, the Pacific Ocean or Ocean Pacific or something. And they have a massive fish tank. And it used to be like a all-you-can-eat restaurant, but now it looks like it's some type of a little lounge / cafe, which looks crazy expensive, but really nice. Okay, this is a bad idea. Yeah, woo, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Look at that. Only a little bit got spilled. Yay. All right, guys, this is gonna be lunch. It is Tuesday, and so I got some spinach, topped with some bacon. I cooked some thinly cut onion and mushroom. I cooked it in the fat from the bacon, and then I also cooked an egg. So I'll put this on top, like that, and then I put some sausage and some avocado on top. That should be nice. Hey guys, I'm back in Waikiki. I gotta shoot another wedding that starts from about 3:30 to about 6, and I kept thinking about it all day today and most of the day yesterday after I went to McDonald's. Even though the food was keto, for some reason I just felt terrible that I made that decision. So it's just been bothering me a lot because I kind of see the pattern. I kind of see how I try to achieve something and then somehow justify not doing it or kind of cheating here and there. And that's what happened, last year when I was being strict. Then went on a family vacation. I justified, cheating a little bit, and next thing you know, I gained 20 pounds back. Nope. And all of a sudden I got 30 pounds back. And only now am I back to where I started before I started cheating. So it took me a whole year. Yesterday kind of got me a little scared and kind of nervous that, if it was that easy for me to justify, 1, spending money, 2, eating more food than I could eat when I'm hungry, when I wasn't hungry at all. And so it just made me a little bit nervous, and it kind of motivated me to be a little more cautious for when my brain tries to convince me or justify something that I know I shouldn't be doing. From this point on, I gotta really enforce my own rules. I see it, I recognize it, I'm gonna make sure I stop that. Whew, man, it's a long day. it's like the peak of wedding season. There must have been about 6 couples waiting for the Hawaii Theater to get pictures taken. And man, like you don't want to be the a-hole that you know, walks in front of somebody, but you also don't want to get taken advantage of. So it's just busy. I still gotta go to the beach and do some sunset photos, and then I get to go home and relax, eat, and edit. Hey guys. Hey guys, it's Wednesday night. It was a really long day, but it was actually fun to shoot because the couple was good looking and easy. It's mean, but it's true. And so Megu is doing a 3-day fast, or 4-day fast. So she's doing a 4-day fast just to try it out. And then she got home earlier than me, so she cooked. It looks like she made some kind of tomato sauce with fish. What I did is put it on top of spinach. I'm starting to use cabbage and lettuce, spinach as like a base. So to use as like rice or potatoes, kind of like that. So I'm starting to use greens as a base. And then she also made some miso soup. So miso soup is like a Japanese soup that it's really popular for breakfast. This one she put onions, tofu, some seaweed. That kind of grayish thing is called konyaku, and it's made with the same thing that they use for shirataki noodles, which in America they call miracle noodles. So it's all keto friendly. And I'm not really hungry because I ate some pork rinds for lunch, and I just drank a bunch of water, but I'm gonna eat this just so I can have something. ¿Te viste en la cara? ¿No? ¿Sí? First time in Costco, a German girl and an Argentinian girl. They're not impressed. Okay, aquí espérate. Okay, bye bye. Big baby. Costco, free entertainment.
¿Ya?
¿Qué estás comiendo?
Yogurt.
Yogurt.
Yogurt con cereal y miel. Y sándwich con mermelada de fresa y
peanut butter.
Y peanut butter.
Crema de maní.
Crema de maní.
¿Y tú qué estás comiendo?
Sopa. Papá, eso necesita una cuchara. No, Judy. Judy. Papá. Papá. Papá.
¿Qué?
Judy.
¿Ah? ¿Pepino? All right, everybody, we're gonna try this hike next to the house. We'll see if she can make it. It's supposed to be kid friendly, so we'll see. I don't believe it yet. Is it kid friendly? Huh? Is it kid friendly?
Pretty close.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You didn't make me feel too good about that. I will see what happens. Thank you. It's really nice and green and pretty. I've been living here almost, 6 years, and only now that I decided to come and check it out. Mostly because they don't recommend you to do this hike when it rains, around the time it rains, and it always rains in Kaneohe, so okay, I don't think she's gonna be able to make it. Rápido. We got real steep real quick.
Isa, ¿quieres agarrar aquí? Espera.
Se va a acabar el agua antes de llegar arriba. Toma de poquito,
Y antes era la chilindrina y ahora con la mochila de Dora.
Dora. You don't look comfortable in the camera.
Like,
Camera!
¿Quieres usar este?
Hmm.
Hay ropas chiquitas porque se va a caer.
Okay.
Vas a caer. Todavía más.
Ahí está, mira, ahí está.
Todavía no, papá.
Ok, camina.
Solo un poquito más. Este es un silver. ¿Quieres ver? Pues no te vas a caer, ¿ok? Porque está muy tall. Muy grande. No puedes caer.
Muy hondo.
hablar a esta cosa.
Hey, 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 hey. Dale, grita.
No.
Dile, mamá.
No.
Kamehameha.
No, I see you.
Lisa caminó todo. ¡Uy! ¡Uy! Lisa caminó todo. Yeah. Wow. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Look at that circle right there. Okay. Sí, sí, sí. Wow, Risa, sí estás grande ya.
No.
Puedes caminar mucho.
Tengo ese grande como
Ok, siéntate ahí.
Emma.
Ok, siéntate ahí.
Hay escaleras.
Wow.
Yeah, this is like the place.
Yeah?
Sí, perfecto.
I wonder why that circle is perfectly circled. There's a bunch of them too.
Looks like little reefs
Yeah,
in there.
man-made. Seems like it.
Nature is perfect.
¿A dónde?
Ahí, abajo. You guys, it's too dark. Hey guys, it's Friday night. I'm getting ready to cook some dinner. We're going to do Yakiniku one more time. We did it last Friday, I think, so we're going to do it again. And again, Guga is vegetarian or vegan. And so first I'm going to make a stir fry with just vegetables. We have some leftover soup from last night, which is also vegan. All right, so let me show you what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to throw some onion, green pepper, mushroom, zucchini, or just cauliflower, and some garlic for the stir fry. Once I cook that with some olive oil, I'm going to take it out, put it on the outside so that Guga can eat that, and anybody else who wants some stir fry. And then I'm going to make 2 salads. It's going to be the regular Cobb salad with the tomato, avocado, cabbage, and lettuce. And I'm also going to make a spinach and strawberry salad. And then I have some green leaf lettuce for the meat. And then I'll show you guys the meat later on. Alright guys, so here's the finished dinner. We got a bunch of vegetables stir fried with salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. We got some more finishing up. We got some lettuce for the meat, which is this right here. Pork belly, and then some just beef butt or something like that. I don't even know what it is. And then I got a spinach, strawberry, and mandarin salad with some chia seeds on top. And it's a Cobb salad with tomatoes, avocado, and some almond shaped almonds. And that's it. Oh, sorry. Happy Father's Day! It's Sunday, dinner time. There's another father right there. And this is what we're gonna eat.
Mama, noodle nani da. Noodle nani daった. Shiratake 食べたい Mama. Mama, shiratake 食べたい.
Thank you for watching, guys. Remember, I'm on a mission to retire early and travel the world with my family. So on top of my weekly vlogs, I'm also going to put videos on how I plan to generate money on the road, how I save money, how I become a minimalist, and anything that helps me reach that goal of early retirement. If that's something that interests you, please subscribe to this channel. Click right here to see the latest upload. Click here to see videos that relate to this video right here. Don't forget to hit the little bell so you can get notifications for whenever I upload new videos. And also, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.